Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to rank a Pinterest board higher. So first thing you should do here is to choose a keyword rich board name. You can go to your board and click edit. Use a name people actually search. For example, do not add my blog stuff rather than add healthy smoothie recipes. Use Pinterest search bar to see popular keyword suggestions, or you can go to Pinterest keywords. Once you have created your board right here, you can write a strong board description, add related keyword naturally. For example, this board includes healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss, breakfast ideas, and quick blended drinks. It helps Pinterest understand what your board is all about. Now, once you have added this, then you can now save only relevant, high quality pins. That is step number 3. Pin only content related to your board. Do not include those images that are not related to smoothies. Avoid random or off topic pins. Mix your pins with high performing others in your niche. For example, this one. Now optimize the first 5 pins. For example, this one. Pinterest uses the first few pins to determine board relevance. Make sure they are keyword rich, visually strong, and fresh. You can use the main keyword and pin titles plus description. Every time you save a pin to your board, include your main keyword like the title, description, if uploading manually. For example, this one. You can add topics, add tags. Everything is up to you. But you need to pin consistently. Pinterest favors active boards. Use a scheduler like Pinterest native tool or Tailwind to post daily. Aim for at least 5 to 10 pins per day to your board. Now link to your board from your profile and pins. You can add your profile cover, mention your board and pin descriptions to boost relevance. After that, you can track performance. And that's how easy it is to rank Pinterest board higher. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.